This is week 23, but today we have a special vocab day 5 where we're going to go back and review some previously learned vocabulary words. So in this game you have to choose or find another word. I am going to show you a sentence that has one or more words underlined, and I will read it out loud, and then you have to decide which of the vocabulary words could replace the underlined part of the sentence. Let's take a look at the first example. I know how to keep your pumpkin from getting moldy if you want me to show you the way to do it, Tara said to Zach. Take a look at those words highlighted in green. They are initial, note, precise, prior to, and process. Which word or words could replace way to do it? If you guess process, you are correct. Right, I will show you the process, Tara said to Zach. Let's try another one. Before beginning the first step, gather together all the materials you'll need. Which word or words could replace before in this example? If you said prior to, then you are right. The first step is to wipe the pumpkin clean with a paper towel. So, which of these words could replace first in this example? Excellent. If you chose initial, then you are correct. We know that initial is a synonym for first. Then, said Tara, you need to be very exact when you measure out the bleach and combine it with water. Which word or words could replace the word exact in this sentence? Did you say precise? Then you are correct. Let's look at the last example. Pay attention to where the sun is shining because the pumpkin should stay as cool as possible. Which word or words could replace pay attention to? Exactly. The word note. Note where the sun is shining because the pumpkin should stay as cool as possible. Great job this week on vocab. Let me know if you guys have any questions about week 23.